Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to discuss about the company that offers remote job opportunities, and here you can have various job opportunities. The company's name is Wishup. Here it is written future of work is remote. Check the current job openings at Wishup if you are looking for remote work. So here you can explore. Here the company's mission is to create 1 million new remote working jobs, and its vision is to change the way companies grow by enabling remote collaboration between entrepreneurs and global talent. So the company so the company hires globally, and it is time to know about Wishup. So Wishup is 10 years old company, and it has connected top-tier virtual assistants with small and mid-sized companies across the globe in 30 plus countries. And from real-time collaboration to enhancing business efficiency, the company is in the business of building bridges in various services for 50 plus industries with over 250 dedicated team members. So here the company offers virtual assistant roles and working closely with our clients, and we mean it. So at Wishup, you get direct client interaction, which means you directly get to work for the international clients. Here are the benefits that the company has mentioned: up to 50% hike and performance-driven annual bonuses, great work culture and environment. Now, life at Wishup, we also provide top-notch virtual assistants. If we talk about the hiring process, the company's interview process is straightforward. And here, from a simple screening to a comprehensive skill assessment, you first need to go through the simple screening process, and you will be prompt for a skill assessment. So if you're also interested to get hired as a virtual assistant, you can click here and you can fill up the application form. You can apply here, and then you will be prompted to this page. Welcome to the onboarding portal for wishup.co. Some instructions are there, so please ensure that your browser is Chrome or Firefox before proceeding. Please ensure that the information you provide is factual and accurate. The details you provide in a page will be auto-saved after you complete each page. And before proceeding to the next step, please select the role that you are applying for. So here you can select the role. So as we are applying for a virtual assistant role, then submit here. Now you will be getting this page. Are you looking for a long-term and full-time remote role where you can work with US-based companies? Here they have written about the company, what is Wishup. Then here's the job profile. An online business manager at Wishup is a remote full-time employee that works for and is trained by Wishup and is deployed to engage with one or more US-based clients. So here the company will be providing training. So this will be a full-time remote role, and you will be getting on-the-job training. The role is remote and full-time, not a freelancing assignment. The role would require working in the US time zone. So this is an important thing to know, that here you will be working in the US time zone. And what is in it for you? International exposure. You will be getting international exposure because you will be getting the opportunity to directly deal with the international clients and interact with them and build relationship with them. And then no hassle of US visa application since it is remote working, and constant upskilling to maintain market relevance. The company offers up to 4 weeks of training during onboarding and all the latest industry tools and practices. Stable full-time remote job in a company that has been fully remote for over 8 years, work from home or anywhere forever. So here, scope of rapid growth based on annual appraisals, a healthy work-life balance. So these are the benefits, and here are the roles and responsibilities. As an online business manager, you will work closely with one or more clients on either one or all of the following tasks. So these are the tasks that you can expect. E-commerce assistance, you can provide like e-commerce assistance to Amazon seller or Shopify, and then project management or advanced Excel and MIS reporting, CRM and lead management, and then online research, lead generation, executive assistance, like itinerary planning, calendar management, inbox management, etc. So it can be either kind of, it can be any kind of role, and it can be any kind of role that are mentioned here. As you are already getting trained by the company, I don't think that there would be any problem for you to join the company. So you are a great fit if you have at least 2 years of full-time employment experience. So if you already have some experience or corporate experience, you could be a good fit for the position. And a stable career employment track record should be there. Impeccable written and spoken English is required because here you will be dealing with international clients. And an aptitude for mathematics and logic, a solid experience in resolving work conflict situations, and the commitment to a long-term association is highly expected from the candidate. Also, since this is a remote position, you must be self-driven and organized because this is a remote position. So you should be able to work individually on your own, although you will be getting assistance from the company through VAs, through other VAs, but still you should be able to work at least independently after getting trained. And then here, job prerequisites include distraction-free workspace with zero external interference, smartphone with email capabilities, a fast and reliable internet connection should be there. The internet speed should be around 70 Mbps. Then laptop with an integrated camera and in an in-home office setup, including a minimum of 8 GB RAM for Windows and 2 GB RAM for Mac, including webcam, with a minimum of Intel Core i5 8th generation processor or above for Windows and equivalent for Mac. So these are the system requirements that the company has mentioned, and you should have most recent version of MS Office installed in your laptop or a desktop. Then a pair of headphones is required. So work timing is here. This will be shift timing. Either of the following may be allocated. So Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. EST time, that is Eastern time zone, and or otherwise you may be allocated 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time zone, that is Pacific time zone. For more information, you can drop an email at this email ID. So yeah, go ahead, and if you believe that you could be a good fit, you can begin here. After you fill up the form, you will be prompted to this page. Here you will be required to fill up all the personal information related to your contact number and country, where do you reside. You will be required to fill up details related to about yourself, basic job requirements, skills, work experience, and about you section, then family and income, and then documents. So here, have you read the job description? And then, do you own a personal laptop? Yes, I do. And then, do you have a quiet and private space to work at home? Yes, I do. You can manually enter the tags that are not present in the list, that are not okay. So here's the list of top skills, and you can fill up as many as you want. Likewise, you can fill up all the tabs and then submit the application form. You will be prompted to give an interview, and if you get selected, you can start working as VA or virtual assistants with Wishup or with one of the clients of Wishup. So go ahead and check out all the details and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.